Good morning. This is for all my spy traders. This was a crazy setup that we were able to catch yesterday in our Gold Zone setup room. So over here, what we do is we trade NASDAQ, EUR, and also SPY. So if you are an options trader, this video is for you. So each morning, I simply just give you a screenshot and a setup. So I'm going to jump over here to NAS. Well, this is just a NASDAQ example, but SPY looks the same exact way. Every morning, just make sure price is updated. Well, by looking at the date, of course, and then you will get a screenshot every morning. You get a screenshot set up so you'll know how you need to chart your trades, and you'll also get a video. Now on this Nasdaq video, I did send out two different videos for two different things we need to look out for, but yeah, that's really it. I'll send a video out explaining how we're actually going to take that trade that particular day. All right, now this SPY trade. As you guys can see, we are simply in a downtrend right here. This is a nice downtrend. So we're simply going to just bring this. We're going to bring this here. Boom. Easy as that. Boom. We got price respecting here, respecting here, respecting here. We're going to get from this top wick up here, and we're going to simply drag it down as well. Boom. So now we see price respecting here, respect here, respect here. So now we got this nice downtrend. Now, whenever price does open, so now as you guys know with options and just stock market, there's a lot of gaps day to day. So, but when price opened above this gold zone level here. This is our gold zone. This trend line is our gold zone. Once price gets to this trend line, we are simply going to look for a long position. Why? Because once it breaks, we're simply just going to look for the retest for a pushback up. It's literally that simple. We're not doing anything extreme. That's it. All right. So let's see. Boom. Price open there. Now price has not touched our gold zone yet. It has not touched our gold zone yet. Now this happened later in the evening. Boom. Price comes down and touches our gold zone beautifully. Now we didn't go off of this gold zone. We simply went off of this gold zone level here. Now I know you may be asking why didn't we go off the second goes on? Because the second goes on was focusing on the downtrend. Once we got a breakout above, this becomes our new support, right? So because this becomes our new support, we're simply going to look for a long position, a bounce off of this key level here. Now we were looking for it to bounce earlier, but it didn't happen. It took later on in the afternoon for it to happen. But guess what? It still happened. Our stop loss was 60 cents. So we had a fairly tight stop loss on this particular trade. We got very close to getting stumped out too, but we stayed strong. Boom. And literally, that's all she wrote. Right here at this point, we're already up at a 4-1 at this point. And guys, as you can see today, look where price is opening at. So if you would have stayed in this trade overnight, this would have been a 13-1. So absolutely insane day. And did you see how quick and just how simple that was? Simply look for key levels to trade at. You don't have to trade this mess. This is where confusion happens and fake outs and all that. Stop trading all that. Start to trade at levels that give you the highest probability of a success. Now, again, that does not mean you're going to win every trade, right? But you want to put yourself in the best position to win the trade, all right?